Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We woke up in Death Valley National Park today, and we're going to go check it out. We'll take you along with us and show you what's out here, but what a beautiful place.
Yeah, if you go hit the visitor center, they've got all kinds of information about what you can do, and so I highlighted everything last night that is on my to-do list, and off we go. First, we're going to go to Dante's Peak, or Dante's View over this way.
We're movie watchers, you can tell.
Yeah, and that's where we're going to start our day.
We got kind of a late start. It's already 10 o'clock. We had to, Shannon had to do some exercising this morning. I had to make a nice big breakfast, of course, and then also my hair's been getting a little long, so Shannon gave me a buzz, which is good. But yeah, 10 o'clock, we got to hit the road, so here we go. So we spent the night in Greenwater Valley, which is kind of down south of Furnace Creek. We went into Furnace Creek to the visitor center yesterday, and we were told by a ranger there that you can camp, you can do dispersed camping pretty much anywhere as long as you're a mile away from the pavement. And so we're on this kind of washboard dirt road here, which actually goes for about 38 miles to the south of us. But we've only been on it for about 2 miles, I think, to find our place where we camp. All right, we are almost to the top of Dante's View, the road here. And on the brochure, or no, it wasn't on the brochure, it was on the map. It said 15% upgrade for the last quarter mile. So here we are, doing the steep part.
Oh yeah, there's people out there.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, this is so cool.
Okay, we just got out of the van. We're at the parking lot way up at the top of Dante's View here. And wow, this is just really cool. Check it out. Okay, yeah, so right below us, that's 5,000 feet below us, I think. That is Badwater Basin. That's the lowest point in the continental United States. Actually, I think in North America. That's like more than 100 feet below sea level right there.
282 feet is what the brochure says.
Wow. And here we are at 5,300 feet or something like that. So that right there is the valley part of Death Valley. Yeah, here's a relief map showing us where we're at. So there's Dante's View. That's where we are, right where the star is. And Badwater Basin right below. Okay, well, the parking lot was not high enough altitude, so we're hiking up this trail here, up onto this little peak. See if we can actually get to the top of this thing.
That's where we slept last night.
Greenwater Valley. So there's a car down there. Don't know if you can see it. It's kind of like right about there. 5,000 feet below us. It's funny. This curve of the road right here, right there, hasn't really changed. Our angle of viewing that has been the same this whole hike, and we've come about a mile. I keep thinking, oh, there's another curve down there. No, it's the same one. It's just really far away. So, what do you think?
Well, just keeps going along this ridge line. For how far, I don't know.
So we're kind of at the highest point.
Yeah, that point right there almost looks higher. But look at those mountains over there. Look at how they're just striated.
Yeah. All right, so we're up here where this cairn is. There's a surveying marker right here. So we're on a nice high peak, but there's one a little bit higher than us. It's right over there. It's called Mount Perry. We're not going to hike all the way up there, but we got a pretty good 360-degree view right where we are. Check this out, all the way around. Get something good?
Maybe.
Oh, and there's the parking lot. All right, well, that was Dante's view. That was a cool hike. It was so much fun. I don't even want to leave here.
Yeah. We didn't go all the way. It's an out and back 4 miles. We went a half of a mile, but we got to one of the highest points.
Yeah.
Not Mount Perry, but
it's pretty cool. Awesome views up here. So what's next?
Zabriskie Point, because it's on the way out.
Okay. So we'll head down the road a bit and see what that's all about. That's one of the must-sees according to the brochure.
But it's right off the road, so it'll be easy.
Super easy. And then after that, we're going to go down there and check out Badwater Basin. Hey there. Okay, so we just drove down the road there. That took us 35 minutes to get from the parking lot for Dante's view down to 190, the main road, and then down 190 to get here. 35 minutes, just so you got an idea, in case you're looking at that map and thinking, oh, we can cover all this in one day. It's a pretty big place. Anyway, we're at Zabriskie Point now, and it looks like we're going to have to do some grockle dodging, I think. Yeah. So we'll go see what this is. I don't even know what it is. So there's some people hiking way down there on that trail. Kind of a cool looking place, but I don't know what it is. So we're going to go look at the reader board and see what it says. All right, well, that was Zabriskie Point. What did you think of that? Was that pretty cool? Or
yeah, actually, it was pretty cool. I mean, it's worth it. It's just a little off the trail. Yeah. And then there's another trail that you can take to, I think, Golden Canyon. It does like a loop, but that's 3 miles. But this was a good lunch spot and a good stopping point. There's bathrooms here. There's garbage.
Yep.
And yeah.
Okay.
And everybody.
Yeah.
This is right off the main highway, so
90-50 rule kicks in here. Yep. So yeah, a lot of grockle dodging, but hey, we're grockles too, so it's all good.
Yep.
We had fun. So now we're off to Badwater Basin and Artist Loop, right?
Yeah. I think it's called Artist Palette.
Artist's Palette. Okay. So off we go.
I wonder what this grockle spot is over here. This is Golden Canyon. Okay, so this is where you go through to whatever, Zabinski's Point.
Oh, Zabriskie Point?
Yeah, Zabriskie Point.
Okay.
So this'll, take you through. Is everything okay?
I'm lower than I've ever been.
They say that this is like table salt.
Wow.
And there's other minerals in it too. Washed down from all the rocks around.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, crazy patterns on there.
It's like it's alive. It's like it's a network of neurons.
Yeah. Okay, now I think we can see where we were this morning. Way up there. Well, that was Badwater Basin. That was pretty cool. What'd you think?
I thought that was super fun.
Lowest point in the Western Hemisphere, it said. So now we're going to go see this natural bridge up ahead a little bit. Boy, we got a lot to do. It's already 3 o'clock. I think tomorrow maybe we should try and get up a little earlier. What do you think? All right, well, we decided not to do the natural bridge. We've been to how many national parks now in the last 2 weeks? All over Utah. Arches National Park, Canyonlands, Zion, all of these. So we figured we've probably seen enough natural bridges for 1 month, I guess. So we're going to do Artist's Palette. This is a one-way road. It's a 9-mile drive. It's kind of a loop off the main road. And I guess we just drive through. I don't know if there's a hike here or not, but
I don't think there is.
That's where we are now. So we'll see if we can show you some of what this looks like. Oh, well, look at that. Actually, there is a parking area and people out there walking. Maybe we can stop. You want to stop? No? We're just going to blow on through. This is gorgeous out here. All right, that was kind of cool. That was called Artist's Palette. It was all right. I'd recommend it if you have plenty of time. If you're in a hurry, I don't think it's something you really need to check out. Definitely the 2 things I liked best today were Dante's view up on that peak way up there, and Badwater Basin. That was pretty cool, both of those 2 things. Zabriskie Point, same thing. It was fun, but only if you got plenty of time. So we just came up Echo Canyon Road, found a place to overnight right here. Nice little dispersed campsite, pretty much in the middle of nowhere. And we got here just in the nick of time to find a place because the sun just went down right behind the mountain right there. So this is pretty cool. But how about this for free camping, huh? We'll take it. This is pretty cool. So we're gonna get some dinner and catch up with you in a little while.